Welcome, my dearest students of Semester 8 BS Social Work, ADP, Session 2021-23. I am Mohammed Arshad Abbasi, your teacher, Assistant Professor of Social Work, University of the Punjab, Lahore. As you approach the final phase of your associate degree program, it's time to explore the exciting courses that await you in the next semester. Let's delve into the details of each course that will shape your understanding of social work and prepare you for a successful career in the field. Course Code 406. Course Title: Human Rights. In this course, you will delve into the critical and dynamic realm of human rights. Explore the principles, laws, and international conventions that safeguard the rights and dignity of individuals worldwide. Understand the social work perspective in advocating for human rights and social justice. This course will equip you with the knowledge and skills to become a powerful advocate for those whose rights are at risk. Course Code 407. Course Title: NGO Management. NGOs, non-governmental organizations, play a pivotal role in addressing societal challenges. This course focuses on the principles and practices of effective GO management. Learn about organizational structures, strategic planning, financial management, and stakeholder engagement. You'll gain insights into sustainable development initiatives and how to lead impactful projects that create positive change in communities. Course Code 408. Course Title: Gender and Development. Gender equality is at the heart of social work practice. In this course, explore the complexities of gender issues and their impact on development. Gain an in-depth understanding of gender-responsive approaches and strategies for empowering marginalized groups. Learn to challenge stereotypes and promote inclusivity, fostering an environment that champions gender equity. Course Code 409. Course Title: Medical and Psychiatric Social Work. This course explores into the intersection of social work and the healthcare system. Understand the role of medical and psychiatric social workers in supporting individuals and families facing health challenges. Learn about mental health interventions, coping strategies, and the importance of holistic care. Prepare to make a significant difference in the lives of those in need of medical and psychiatric support. Course Code 410. Course Title: Research Practicum, Thesis. The final course in Semester 8 offers you the opportunity to apply all that you've learned in your research practicum. Undertake a comprehensive research project, exploring a social issue of your interest. You'll conduct in-depth research, analyze data, and present your findings through a thesis. This practicum will enhance your research skills and showcase your expertise in the field. As you can see, Semester 8 presents a diverse range of courses that will enrich your understanding of social work and equip you with practical skills for the future. Embrace the challenges, engage actively in your studies, and make the most of this transformative academic journey. We wish you the best for Semester 8 and beyond, as you prepare to make a positive impact in the lives of individuals and communities through the power of social work. Stay connected for updates and support throughout the semester. Let's make this final phase of your associate degree program a rewarding and memorable experience.